You've prayed. You've waited. You've done everything right. But your desire hasn't come. The peace still slips through your fingers, and you lie there, doubting, asking, when will it come? What am I doing wrong? I tell you now, it is already done. What you seek does not arrive by force. It reveals itself only when you assume it has already been received. Today, I will show you how to stop worrying, not by doing more, but by changing the only thing that ever mattered, your inner state. What follows is not instruction, but remembrance, a return to the truth already within you. And at the end, I shall guide you into a meditative experience, where we will impress this truth into the deepest part of you. But your subconscious must be made ready to receive it. You must hear and feel what comes before it. So remain with me, and together we shall move from hoping or fear to fulfillment. Let's start with the feeling that you don't have what you desire. If you are lacking, it is not because you are without, but because you persist in assuming you are. Stop looking to the outer world to rescue you. There is no one to change but self. And self is not the one you see in the mirror. It is your assumption, your inner speech, the silent knowing that I am already that. Man moves in a world that is nothing more or less than his consciousness objectified. You pray when you assume. The moment you say, I have no money, you are praying for lack. The moment you say, it is done, you are commanding the unseen to obey. God does not hear begging. He responds to being. So be it. Not tomorrow, not when the paycheck arrives. Now, affirm. I am no longer the struggler. I am abundance clothed in flesh. You say, I must find a way. And the Father says, be still. I have already made the way. Do you doubt? But your worry drowns his whisper. The law does not reward effort. It reflects your state of being. So if you dwell in fear, if you identify as the one who lacks, then all things around you shall confirm it. Replace your inner speech. I can't afford it becomes, it's already mine. You must live from the end. That is the secret. You do not desire money. You desire the feeling of freedom it brings. So go there now. Assume that feeling as you would a robe, softly, confidently, completely. Spend it, taste it, dwell in it, without lifting a finger in the outer world. So go gently into that state now. Feel it settle upon you. Familiar, warm, already yours. Bask in it. Walk through life as though it were true, without force, without seeking, without doubt, without lifting a finger in the outer world. For the world will rearrange itself to mirror your dwelling place. Before sleep, feel, I am safe, I am free. It is already done. You will know the state has taken root when you stop checking, when you stop reacting, when peace, not panic, becomes your new silence. And then, a call, an opportunity, a check in the mail, a stranger's kindness, all signs that your inner command has been heard. Do not chase signs. Become the one who no longer needs them. You were never meant to worry. That is not your role in this divine play. Your only task is to assume the state and dwell in it as though it were already real. Do this, and the world must conform, for God and your own wonderful human imagination are one. Now, let's take a moment to program this truth into your mind with a short exercise. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down with your spine straight. If the place you are allows it, close your eyes. Let the outside world melt away. For the next few moments, There is only consciousness, only you, and the feeling of the wish fulfilled. As I speak, repeat after me, word for word. Do not try to believe them. Do not force emotion. Simply assume they are already true. We begin with slow, rhythmic affirmations, with 15-second space between them, to imagine the new you. Repeat after me and imagine your wish fulfilled. I let go of effort. I live in the assumption that all is done. I feel it now. I do not chase money. Money is drawn to me by what I assume. I feel it now. My needs are already met. My desires are already fulfilled. I feel it is true. I dwell in the end. I feel it now as if it were true. I no longer beg. I no longer fear. I no longer delay my good. My intuition knows what I need and has already gone before me to prepare the way. I do not check. I do not wait. I do not react. I rest. I trust. I allow. I am wealthy in spirit. I am stable in truth. I am rich in consciousness. I do not hope. I assume. I live from the end. I am already the one who has it. And it is done. It is already done. Open your eyes and feel the new you.